you need to follow to keep your jewellery sparkling. Step 1. Store them in their A&M boxes. Step 2. Remove your jewellery before applying any creams or perfumes. And step 3. Keep them shining with a polishing cloth. Like and follow for more tips.
How to clean your diamond jewelry and make it shine again. Prepare a bowl of clean water, a small hand towel, and mild soap. Apply a small amount of soap on your finger and gently rub it on your diamonds to wash off all the debris and dirt. Wash it off with the clean water you've prepared and gently pat it dry with the hand towel. Say hello to your shiny, beautiful diamonds again.
Tried to figure out how to clean my cheap-ass jewelry to make it look shiny again when a